Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss. In today's video, we've gotten something special for all my incredible ladies out there. We have 7 empowering financial tips. So grab a notepad because we're diving in. Number 1, start by setting some clear financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a dream vacation, investing for your future. Having specific goals with your financial journey is crucial. Okay. Number 2 is all about mastering your budget. Create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. You must have direction and purpose in your strategies for budgeting. You have to master your budget. There's no way around it. So create a realistic budget. It's the cornerstone of financial success, the budget. Number 3, it's a game changer. Build your emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. We all know that, and having a financial safety net will give you peace of mind. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, and that's going to depend on if you have dual incomes, if you have a flexible income. All of those things have to come into play when you plan for your emergency fund. But a rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Let's talk about wealth building. Tip number 4 is all about wealth. Explore and invest wisely. You want to make sure you look at investment options that align with your risk tolerance and your long-term goals. So you can consider stocks, mutual funds, real estate. The bottom line is make your money work for you. Find that diversified portfolio that will work for you and that fits your tolerance and your investment philosophy. Number 5 is all about knowing your worth, because you know you're worth it, right? Don't be afraid to negotiate for a better salary or advocate for yourself in the workplace. Your financial well-being is closely tied to your earning potential, and you know you're valuable. You know you're valuable. Stay informed with number 6. Continuous education. The financial world is always evolving and changing, so make it a habit to stay updated on personal financial trends and investment strategies, because knowledge is power, but knowing what to do with that knowledge is a superpower. Our last tip is number 7, network and seek mentorship. Connect with other beautiful women in your industry and attend networking events and find a mentor who can guide you on your financial journey. Surround yourself with supportive people who are in the same mindset as you. If you have people around you that talk negative or don't support what you're doing, they don't need to be around you. Yes, I'm just saying. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community is key, and you have it right there. This is 7 steps that are going to be game changers for your financial journey to abundance, financial freedom. Whatever your goal is, these tips will help to build the foundation to get you there. I hope this was helpful. Please consider sharing it with other beautiful ladies as yourself. Don't forget to join our community of money masters and budget bosses. And say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.